Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dixie Noel and I'm going to be doing some makeups for you today in my little moo pajama shirt. What an intro. Anyway, my name is Dixie Noel. It's so good to finally meet you. I've waited a long time to do this, since I was 12. 25 now. Currently in college and got a job. Telling you a little bit about myself, you know. But yeah, I intend on making lots and lots of makeup videos. Maybe even some gaming videos, dude. Comment down below. You want to see some makeup persons do some video gameses other than Minecraft's? I'm very nervous, so please excuse the intro. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learn something. If there's anything you would like to learn, or if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Let me know. Your girl needs help. Help me. Help. Please. SOS. Alright, so before you do any eyeshadow look, you need to prime. And I'm going to tell you why you need to prime. Because, girl, your eyelids are greasy. They are very greasy. Now, what oil does to makeup is it breaks it down. So what you need to do is you need to put a layer of stuff on your eyelid to prevent that oil from creasing and cracking your eyeshadow and making it not optimal. So, here's how I like to do it. Not that it matters, but let's see. Alright. It's Morphe eye primer. I don't know if that's special or whatever, but I got some because I could afford it for once in my life. Aha! What I like to do is I like to rub it on my fingers. Warm it up a little bit. Dog hair is flying everywhere. And then we're gonna... Actually, I do need to kind of look in here, don't I? I'm just gonna... I kind of like to go under, too. Because I like to put eyeshadow under on everything. So... And obviously I do my eyes before I do my foundation. Really it's just because so I can correct like any kind of mistakes, you know. Okay, so that's all nice and patted in. Oh, thank you, Airplane. Are you? Come on, girl. Yes, let's do your makeup too, Airplane. Work, girl. I think I'm just gonna do a pink purple moment. Yeah, whatever. So I'm taking kind of a flat brush. It's kind of a flat rounded, got dog hair on it. Dog hair is required for optimal snatchness. But it's kind of flat, kind of rounded, kind of, what I like to do is like to kind of jimmy it in my crease a little bit. So what I'm going to do, okay, I reckon I'll tell you the color, okay. Solstice with the Mostess from ColourPop. That's what I'm going to go in with first. It's a real pinky, glittery, I won't say glittery, I'm going to say shimmery. There we go. Nice and up there, pat that down. And then I'm just going to kind of look for my creases. You should know where your crease is, but I'm just doing it for dramatic effect. And now we go in. I'm going to press it. You're just kind of packing in the color. You're not really, we're not blending yet. We're just packing in color. So we're just packing the color into our crease. It goes a little bit above, good. And again, just going in the crease. So one thing I do want to talk about is I have 100% vision in this eye. But I have like maybe 30% vision in this eye. We also out here selling chocolate. It's okay. So with that, I can guarantee with that, both eyes will not look the same. They will be different, but they will be fabulous in their own way. Something I've dealt with my whole life, and it's something I've learned to just not care about. Fine, they look different. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. I swear, it's like each eye, if you like cover half my face, it's like this eye will look so good in its own way, in its own shape, and then this eye will look so good in its own way, in its own shape. Ah! But they are never twins. They're hardly sisters. They're like... Cousins is a very strong word also. And also, I just... Yeah. So we're just going to pack. See, you can already see like the different... And it also could be from how I'm holding my brush, blah, blah, blah. But it'll be alright. I think I need to add a little bit more up here just to kind of make it the same as possible. It's not going to be the same. I've accepted that, but I can try my best. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a nice little floofy brush. See, in comparison to my eye or whatever. It's a Morphe brush. And then what I'm going to start doing is I'm just going to start blending and buffing it out. And when I say out, I mean out, not like just in the same spot. No. So what we're going to do is you're going to put your brush where your eyeshadow is, and you're not going to take the brush off ever again until you're done. And then you're just going to start maybe doing some small little circles just to blend it out a little bit. I know I just took my brush off my skin. I'm a bad girl. And just blend it out. I don't know if you can see how I'm kind of blending it out. Just kind of little circles. Circle. And it just kind of diffuses that harsh line. Makes it more seamless, I guess. Now, once you've blended it out, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to say that the original pigment you have put down has now been sheared out a pretty good bit. So we want to put that color back up there because, girl, we love pink, right? Right. So we're just going to go back in with more pink. Put it in the crease, not on the blended part you just did, but just back in the crease, just to bring that color back to life. I am already done with my crease work. Yes, I know it's one color, but I figured, hey, it'd be good for a first tutorial, you know. So it's only one color. I've got it nice and blended out in my crease, and I got an eyelash. Let's make a wish. My first video will get 100 gajillion bajillion views. It's set in stone. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone. And when I say highlight my brow bone, I don't mean actually highlight. I have a really finicky way of doing my makeup, okay? I like doing it my way. I'll basically just take like maybe a tan brown kind of. Not even like a highlight color or shimmer, just and then I'll put it on top. Right there. Put it on top, swivel it back and forth on top of the very top part of the pink you put down. Just blend it in together, make it marry each other. Whether they man a man, a woman, a man and a woman. They got to get married. So we're going to do that. And we're going to do the same to the other side. And then the reason why I like this method is because I don't really like that whole highlighted look. That's just my personal preference. And I know I got some janky eyebrows. Don't come for me or my eyebrows. Got that nice and blended on. Oh, my eyebrows are terrible. I'm so sorry, world of YouTube. I'm so sorry for all the terrible features on my face. Oh, confidence 101. Anyway. So now I think for the lid. Ooh, I could do a blue. I'm kind of tempted to do a little blue. Should I do a little blue? Oh, that's either going to make it or absolutely destroy it. And you know I'm right. You know I'm right. That's either going to make it or destroy it. Isn't that how it always is with makeup though? Okay, we're going for it. I want to use blue. We're going to use blue. So, I'm going to go in on my inner corner. I will go on the outer corner, but maybe with a darker blue or something. Or maybe a purple. I don't know. But I'm going to go in this little inner part right here. Got my eyeshadow. I'm gonna press it onto the lid. I'm gonna press. We're not blending, we're pressing. We're just getting the product up there, you know? And I do want to stay kind of within the confines of my eyelid. I don't want to put it in my crease. I genuinely want to stay on my eyelid. We're gonna pack more blue on. And when I say blue, I obviously mean this, whatever this turquoise teal color is. Alright, I guess I could tell you, huh? I'm a professional. This is Formation. And it's this color right here. And then I'm just going to pat it on the lid. Just on like the inner 2/3. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the inner 2/3. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Oh my god, this side always comes out so much better. Ugh. Maybe that's one thing I could learn and like share my educational journey with. Like learn how to overcome the fact that I cannot see out one of my eyes. And the struggles that comes with it when doing makeup. Actually. what I could do. Okay, I know what I want to do. I'm going to take, it's kind of a small eyeliner brush that's got a dog hair on it. Dog hair required. And also that's probably about a year's worth of like whatever. Anyway, and I think I'm going to go in with an actual purple. And this purple is also from ColourPop. It is called Love That For You. That's how it is spelled. Oh, Love That For You. And it's like a purpley. It's a purple. I think I'm just going to put such a small bit of it between the blue and the pink. I really hope it shows up the way it does in real life on camera, because this is a masterpiece. I'm just going to go in between the blue and the pink. This is the smokiest cut crease I believe I have ever seen. But it's okay. Pack. And if you get fallout, don't worry. You can always fix fallout. You know, I'm actually going to extend the purple all the way to the outer part. For when. Go ahead and put that there for when we put the darker blue. That side now we shall go on this side. Kind of blending as I'm going, actually. It's kind of working out pretty good. So yeah, try that instead. Just kind of blend as you go with your little cut crease color. I don't know what we're calling this these days. I'm not very familiar with the terminology. I know what a kiki is. I know what kai is. For the outer corner, I'm going to take a darker blue that I also got from ColourPop. It is called Backstage, and it's like a darky blue, kind of. Yeah, like a navy blue. Anyway, and I'm going to pack that just on the outer corner. And I'm going to kind of, when I'm patting it, I'm going to kind of like jimmy it that way a little bit, just so it kind of blends in with that turquoise that was already there, darling. Mixture between patting and like a little jimmy jam. Pat, pat, jimmy jam, pat, pat, jimmy jam, pat, pat, jimmy jam. I'm going to do the same for the other side. And it's not blended out. We will blend it out. Do not worry. Now for fallout, what I do for fallout, and when I say fallout, I mean the bits of eyeshadow that has fallen on your face after doing your eyeshadow. Just kind of take a little brushy brush. You can take a makeup wipe if you haven't done your foundation yet, or you can just take a brush and just kind of whisk it away. You want to whisk it away. You want to really try not to press it into your skin, but just kind of whisk it away. And if it happens, you ain't the first person it's happened to, and you ain't gonna be the last. And then with a nice fluffy blendy brush, you want to just take that purple and blend it in with that pink a little bit, maybe a little bit with the blue. Just make it where it's like nice and transitioned looking, you know. So what I do when I blend, I press and then I wiggle back and forth along my eye socket. You can feel where your eye socket is, right? So that's what I do. I just kind of buff and blend within my socket. Okay. And now, like we did before, we've lost kind of some of our intensity, and we want it. Dolly, get back over here, honey. Come here. Dolly, come here. Dolly, come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Sweet little girl. That's Dolly. She's just as sweet as she can be. Anyway, what was I doing before I was so cutely interrupted? You know, I think I should just re-intensify both the pink and the purple. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pounce a generous amount of pink around my crease. I'm going to take the pink. We're going to just blend. Going to blend all of our pains away. Okay. Now with that little flat eyeliner brush, I'm going to go back in and kind of intensify that purple a little bit. Again. Okay. And then I'm going to take that one brush that I had, the small, denser brush. I'm going to kind of wipe away the rest of that pink. best I can. I'm just going to kind of blend that purple into that pink. And I'm using this one to blend because it's a little bit smaller and not as chaotic, if you will. It's more of a controlled blend versus a buff out kind of blend. I love those kinds of blends though. You can't be mad at me for that. Alright, well I guess except for the, you know, eyeliner and mascara and the eyeshadow I'm going to put on the bottom, pretty much done. Yeah, so I'll tell you what, you guys. I'm going to go do my base and finish the eyeshadow off camera. And then I'll be back to show you the final look. Alright, and that is the overall completed look. We got our eyes done, our lips done, and I know what you're thinking. What, no lashes? I can't afford them. I love lashes so much, but I can't afford them, and I can't take care of them. I can't buy one. Okay, I had a pair of eyelashes. They were $10, and they were so pretty and so beautiful. They made my eyes just flitter and flutter and stuff like that, but they were $10, which isn't a lot, but it's a lot to me. And I wore the hell out of them for a week, tried to take care of them and clean them the best I can, and it just, you know, they just wore out eventually, which is, that happens, it's fine. It wasn't the eyelashes' fault. The eyelashes were really pretty. I just can't really afford them like that, but anyway, this is the completed look. The lipstick I used, you can obviously tell this has been used quite a bit, but it's a Sugar Pill lipstick in the shade Dainty, because she's dainty, darling. Dainty. Anyway, I want to thank you so much for watching me ramble and be nervous and be awkward and cringy and weird and not even talk about anything. This probably isn't going to be informative or funny in any way, shape, or form, but here's hoping. There's the Miss Dolly. Come here, Miss Dolly. Come here. Yes, come here, say hi to everyone. Well, say hi to everybody. You say hi, say hi. Oh, no, don't lick that. We don't like animal testing, okay? Hey, my sweet girl Dolly. Say hi, Dolly. Oh, you got mommy here. Say hi. My sweet girl. Okay, come on. Come on this way. Come on. Good girl. Good. Which I can get by right now, just doing, you know, this basic stuff. But I do want to progress. It's not like I want to plateau the whole time, so there will be more to come. I am saving up my money still for even more things that could improve my channel, me, my makeup, everything like that. I'm learning, I'm editing, I'm learning how to edit. Which I know some mild edits, but you know, this ain't Windows Movie Maker anymore. They don't have that anymore, so it's a little bit harder, but I'm learning and we're getting it done. Trying to get in the habit of, even if I just produce a bunch of crap, I want to at least start getting in the habit of producing crap so I can at least get habituated to the idea of setting up, breaking down, doing this, doing that, you know. And I do have a budget, which is not much. Okay, I work at a little minimum wage place, alright? I work on the weekends, and I go to school during the week for simulated graphics and development. So I'm pretty busy, don't have a lot of money, doing the best I can. Dreams will come true though, they will. My dreams will freaking come true, yeah they will. But thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, you know, subscribe. Subscribe? Would you like to subscribe to me? Please subscribe. You must subscribe. But if you don't, you know, just swipe left, go to the next. I don't care. I do, but I don't. I want you to be happy. If you're not happy with me, move on. I can't be everybody's one and only. And no one's one and only. Except Dolly's. And that's good enough for me because she's a sweet girl. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.